Hey everyone, and welcome to this FSL Express Explainer. If you're a French teacher, you definitely know the feeling. You've got a class to plan, but you are just running on empty when it comes to materials. Well, don't worry. Today we are going to break down 3 super fast, super simple tips you can literally use tomorrow to create awesome lessons with 0 resources. Sound familiar? That endless hunt for the right worksheet? The perfect little dialogue, or that ideal activity? It is exhausting, right? But what if you could just generate what you need, find it for free all around you, and frame it perfectly for learning? Let's show you how. Okay, let's jump right in with a countdown. Coming in at number 3 is a tip that brings a pretty powerful assistant right into your classroom. That's right, AI. And no, don't worry, we're not talking about some complicated sci-fi stuff. Just think of AI as your own personal teaching assistant. One that's ready 24/7 to create content that is perfectly tailored to your students' needs. It is an absolute game changer for creating materials on the fly. And the best part is, you don't have to be a tech genius. Seriously, all it takes is a simple, clear instruction. You could ask for something just like this. A 4-line dialogue between a customer and a server, specifically at that A2 beginner level. It's that easy. And boom. Seconds later, you get this, a perfect, ready-to-use mini dialogue. This is now a real resource. You can have students read it, act it out, even change it up a bit. You literally just went from having nothing to having a custom-made activity in less than a minute. How cool is that? All right, moving on to tip number 2. Now, this one requires no technology at all, just a fresh way of looking at the world that's already around you. The key here is to use authentic resources, materials that were made by native speakers for native speakers. We're talking advertisements, posters, signs, food packaging, even memes you find online. They are everywhere, they are free, and they are just packed with real-world language and culture. It's so simple. You just show your students an authentic document, like, say, a French ad, and ask a really direct question. What product is being sold here? Just that one little prompt immediately gets them thinking, scanning for clues, and engaging with the language in this really meaningful kind of puzzle-solving way. And now for our number 1 tip. This is the big one, the one that really brings it all together. It's not about what material you use, but how you frame it to give any activity a clear, powerful purpose. So let me introduce you to the I CAN descriptor from the Common European Framework of Reference, the CEFR. These simple little statements are your secret weapon. They take a kind of fuzzy idea for an activity and sharpen it into a clear, focused learning objective that students can actually understand and aim for. Just look at the difference here. A vague idea like role play at a restaurant, it's okay, but what's the goal, really? But by reframing it as a clear objective, I can order at a restaurant, you give your students a concrete skill they can actually master. All of a sudden, that AI dialogue we made isn't just a script, it's a tool to help them nail this exact goal. So let's do a super quick recap. Your 3 tips for teaching FSL with no resources are: number 3, use AI as your on-demand assistant. Number 2, find free, authentic resources just by looking around you. And number 1, frame every single activity with a clear I CAN objective to give it a real purpose. And there you have it. 3 simple but really powerful strategies you can start using right away. So here's a little challenge for you. Pick one of these and try it in your class tomorrow. Let us know which one you chose and how it went. Thanks for tuning in to this explainer.